Okay, just a quick video showing the wear on the optional Michelin Pilot Sport 4, not 4S, but just 4. So the manufacturer warranty is 20,000 miles, and I'm currently at 24,785, so I exceeded that, which is nice. And that's with 3 tire rotations in total. So here's the rear right. The rear left. The front left tire. There's little wear bars. And the front right. So for replacement tires, I was on Tyre.com and I was looking at the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, and those puppies are $237 each, which would be a total of $951, basically over $1,000. It's a little high. I mean, really good tires, you know. And Super Sports, blah 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 blah. That's the ones I have currently. So if I was gonna get an exact replacement, it'd be $217, be $869, which is a lot. These, another good competitor. Man, I really wanted some of those, but yeah, $202. Yokohama Advan Apex, yeah, this would be another good one. But again, $192, you know, that's, I did have a little instant savings, $691. However, I did kind of look around on Amazon, of course, and I was able to find these guys. These are Yokohama Advan Sport V105s. So yeah, another summer tire. And there's a really good channel on YouTube called Tyre Reviews. It's with a Tyre reviews. And one video actually had these tires in it. And this tire's actually been already superseded by another, the V107s. But I think these are still, you know, out there. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting those on, and I'll probably show a video just how those are, how they feel, and the stiffness and characteristics of those tires. So yeah, look out for that.